Hi little friends, welcome to Kids Learning School. Reading, writing, learning. So let's start it. Bird's name. Crow. It is a crow. Cuckoo. It is a cuckoo. Dove. It is a dove. Duck. It is a duck. Eagle. It is an eagle. Flamingo. It is a flamingo. Hummingbird. It is a hummingbird. Myna. It is a myna. Owl. It is an owl. Peacock. It is a peacock. Parrot. It is a parrot. Pigeon. It is a pigeon. Sparrow. It is a sparrow. Swan. It is a swan. Vulture. It is a vulture. Woodpecker. It is a woodpecker. Wedgetail. It is a wedgetail. Now read one by one. Crow, cuckoo, dove, duck, eagle, flamingo, hummingbird, myna, owl, peacock, parrot, pigeon, sparrow, swan, vulture, woodpecker, wedgetail. Thank you for watching.